Hey, foodies! Today, we are diving into the world of comfort food with a recipe that's both savory and satisfying, mushroom pot pie. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this culinary journey that'll fill your kitchen with warmth and your taste buds with delight. But before we get started, let's gather our comforting ingredients. For the mushroom mixture, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 cup sliced button mushrooms, 1 cup sliced oyster mushrooms, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon oregano seasoning, 1/2 cup boiled carrots chopped, julienne, 1/2 cup boiled cauliflower, cut into small pieces, 1/2 cup boiled broccoli, cut into small pieces, 3 teaspoons refined flour, 400 milliliters milk, 2 teaspoons chili flakes, 1 tablespoon chopped parsley. Other ingredients: 4-5 puff pastry sheets, 1 whisked egg, egg wash, 1 teaspoon white sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon black sesame seeds. Wash and make thick slices of the mushrooms, chop the veggies and par-cook them in salted water. Next, heat oil and butter in a pot and fry the onions and garlic till translucent. Next, add the mushrooms and stir-fry on high heat for 2 minutes till all the water has evaporated and the mushroom starts to brown. Now reduce the heat and add all the vegetables along with salt, pepper and the oregano seasoning. Mix well and fry for 2 minutes. Now add the flour and stir-fry on low heat for 2 minutes till the flour is cooked. Next, add the milk and bring to simmer. As soon as the milk thickens, add the chili flakes and parsley and remove off the heat. Stick tighter the puff pastry sheets and roll it out gently. It should be wide enough to cover your baked dish. Now add the mushroom filling to your casserole and place the puff pastry sheet over it. Pinch off the sides and with a spatula tuck the sheet into the filling. Score the top of the sheet in a diamond pattern and bush with egg wash. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and bake at 180 C for 10-15 minutes. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool for a moment before digging in. Cut a generous slice, and savor the comforting goodness of our mushroom pot pie. If you're ready to add a comforting classic to your recipe repertoire, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious recipes. Enjoy making and savoring this mushroom pot pie, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!